Hello aspirants, welcome to College Dummy Exams. In this video, we will guide you on how to download your XAT 2026 results step by step. We will also help you understand your scorecard and explain what to do after downloading it, so you can move forward confidently in your MBA admission journey. You can check your XAT 2026 result only on the official website xatonline.in. The result is expected to be released between 17th and 26th January 2026. Always use the official website and avoid any other links or websites. Before the result day, make sure you have a few things ready. Firstly, keep your XAT ID or user ID handy. You can find this in your registration confirmation details. Second, ensure your password is correct and active. If you have forgotten it, reset it well before the result date to avoid any last-minute stress. Lastly, use a stable internet connection and, if possible, access the website on a desktop or laptop for a smoother experience. Now let's look at the exact steps to download your XAT 2026 scorecard. First step, open the official website xatonline.in. Using a reliable browser like Chrome, Firefox or Safari. Second step, on the home page, click on the XAT 2026 result or candidate login link. Third step, enter your XAT ID and password carefully. Once logged in, click on View Scorecard or Download Scorecard. Finally, verify all your personal details and sectional scores, then download the PDF. We strongly recommend saving multiple copies both on your device and in cloud storage. If you face any issues while downloading your result, here's how you can handle them. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option and reset it using your registered email or mobile number. If the website is slow or unresponsive, try incognito mode, switch browsers or use a desktop instead of your mobile. In case of persistent technical errors, contact the XAT help desk immediately. Make sure to keep screenshots of the error, your XAT ID and registered contact details ready. After you successfully download your scorecard, it's very important to understand what it shows. The personal information section includes your name, XAT ID, test date, and registered details. Always verify this very carefully. Then comes the score breakdown, which includes verbal and logical ability, decision making, and quantitative ability and data interpretation. These sectional scores play a crucial role in shortlisting by different B schools. Once you have your XAT 2026 scorecard, the next phase begins. It starts by shortlisting colleges based on your score and previous year cutoffs. Then begin preparing for the group discussion, personal interview and written ability test rounds, which are usually conducted between February and March 2026. Also, keep tracking official announcements from colleges regarding counseling schedules, document verification, and admission timelines. One important tip, always keep both digital and printed copies of your scorecard ready for future use. That quotes all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to College Dummy Exams. For the latest updates on MBA exams, results, cutoff, and admission, visit our website and leave a comment if you have any doubt. All the best for your XAT journey.